Mantam no more na Regional Coordinating Council no. One year that the Ponko Mitre motorcycles no be 164. A Soko project no one more a year na to me abwa ama won temu no one nkrofo ahye so ne wonkru ahodo mu no anyonkofa ne dwumadi ahodo betimi akoso ohare so ewo 6 northern regions no a ewo man Ghana mu Adom Kasee etwaso
Samuel Larry Ejaku ya no any zonal coordinator Edema Upper East any North East mantemu en wanamaso ya hwe nkrasi amemu ne mpuntu ho nsem so aje sika asoye hwes kasem so ediama wo no mu a esono America dollar no opepe ohane aduonum se emeboai na mpuntu dwuma enyina ne na so ewo mantem numu a ewo etifido mantem a oti mantem no so ehye ho baabi okire se adwumadie beboa pa mani so adehunu a ewo mantem ahodo no ni so no atumi abam wo mo so atumi enya mpuntu ehon faso
number of motorbikes at 164 motorbikes. Now, on behalf of the projects at the zonal level that we want to present to the regional minister, honorable regional minister, to be presented to the MMDA. So I hereby present all the keys to our regional minister to present to the MMDs.
Stephen Yakubu ya oye tifia poye mantam swafo edene nsama etudwa no wakire se sika abai ebeboa pa ama ntotoye akoso se ne ebe ya mentem ho ase bia emma empotam ho na afi wiem abobre ensa kira ya dwumadi nso a esi wonani so no umetumi ahye mukena ama demfa so bum abra wo mo ewo mantam ho.
It's a well-bound project. It's going to be run for about 5 years. This is just the beginning of this. And we have divided the places, as I said, into clusters, and the clusters have facilitators. So each cluster has 2 facilitators. And what the facilitators will do with the motorbikes, they will go around the districts within that cluster that these 2 people are manning. And they will make sure that the projects that is going to be implemented in that cluster, they make sure that the right things are done.